And I'm here with
Little Bud.
the best bud in the world. Go set up that damn game. Oh yeah, guys, we're playing Dead or Alive 5.
Unlimited.
Are you going to set it up anytime?
I did.
No, you didn't. Look.
It's loading.
Oh, you stupid fuck. Guys, please go look at fails. You'll laugh your butt off.
Oh god.
He literally had it right before we started this video. I was like, oh.
Oh my god, that was good. Hit the ball. Hit the ball.
What the heck's
You
wrong
want
with
me
you,
to?
you mental?
You want me hit it?
You're mentally insane, sir.
Okay.
Ah, it's a girl.
What's that?
And it's a ninja. Eat my ninja power.
I want to introduce you to.
Oh.
I want to say who to.
Oh, I'm the lava-looking dude that beat up a chick. I don't know why I beat up a chick. And that right there, that Jane Lee dude, the Mexican version of Bruce Lee. That's my friend.
Little Bud.
Little bird. Little birdie. I'd snap your neck. He's he's a pretty much he's a white version of freaking Bruce Lee. Oh god, ninja.
Ninja power.
Oh, get hit. Ow, god, ow, ow, ow.
Oh dang. I saved your life again.
Thank you. Oh god, who has a hit the house? Tayo.
Oh
It looked like he was good trying to give you a hug. He's like, come here.
I want a hug. Oh god. Hey, 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 hey.
Yeah, I just hit her in the face. You leave my friend alone! Ow, 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 midget! Oh god, ow. This is not fun. This is actually really painful.
It's like you got feeling in your life.
It's like, oh, my nipple just got hacked.
My nipple is gonna say.
My nipple's so hard now, like, oh my god.
Oh god!
Thank you. You saved my life.
That took a big hit, man. You're welcome.
Raga. Oh god.
Rapadoodle doo.
Cock-a-doodle doo. Eat my pooey. I'm nowhere. And that was Dead or Alive? Your mama version.
Yeah, mama version.
Yeah, that was Dead or Alive. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Ka-ching!